Hey loves, welcome back to another video with saklesmiles. In this video today I'm going to show you guys another do-it-yourself video on a way that you can save money from buying candles at the store. This very simple do-it-yourself. It'll literally take you probably about 10-15 minutes. All you need is a glass cup, which the dollar store does sell, one paper towel, some water, fresh water, and a water bottle, and some oil, which the dollar store sells as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned. My name is Sakli. Welcome to my channel, Sakli Smiles. Subscribe for money making and saving tips and tricks, budgeting, finance, and affordable do-it-yourself projects. In part with being a social worker, I use my channel as a platform to help promote Black businesses. With my knowledge, experience, and awareness, I strive to keep a smile on your face. Okay, you guys, I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but make sure that you have some glue or a glue gun, and then make sure that you also have some flowers or something that you can add to the candle to make it customized the way that you like it. I have some flowers here. I have like some sand that I'm going to use. I also have some like leftover rocks from a previous do-it-yourself that I did. And I'm going to add all those together just to make it look really nice and pretty, because it's going to be in my kitchen, this candle. And then also at the dollar store, you can get yourself a little diffuser. There you go. So I'm using the coconut and citrus one. These are diffuser oils. They sell them at dollar store. And that will make your candle smelling good. Not only looking good, but smelling good. Alright, let's get started. long burning. I can already smell the diffuser. It smells so good. The oil diffuser smells so good. Look how beautiful that is. Candle in seconds. No using the stove. No long process. A candle in seconds. And it's customized the way that you like it. And how much money did we spend on this project? Went to the dollar store and got all the items that I told you to get. $3 or so? $3 or $4? One paper towel, one bottle of little tiny oil. You don't even need that much oil. One bottle of water. And that's it. And all depending on the decorations on the inside. I think that's a good deal, y'all. I think that's a good deal. All right, there is my candle shining bright. My floating candle. Save your money, y'all. Subscribe to my channel so you can save money. Times is tough out there. Okay, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.